Here we are in Dawlish on this lovely seafront. Start of a new month today, March the 1st. The workmen are still busy here, doing all the seafront. But now the walkway, which I'll show you in a minute, is now open. Look at this lovely path they've done here. And this is the sea wall, protecting it from the sea. Protecting Dawlish from the sea, should I say. And this is a pathway they've done. There's handles here. Anybody needs a bit of assistance coming up the slope. All this lovely pathway they've done. Such a good job here. And this goes under the bridge, this pathway. They really have done excellent work here. Big up the workmen. So I'll just show you where the path goes out to. Goes all the way along. Under the bridge in Dawlish, the railway bridge. They've laid all the bricks nicely there, as you can see. So it's a job well done. So now you can walk from the town centre, Dawlish seafront, through under the bridge, right here to the beach. It's certainly coming on, certainly done well. So everyone will be pleased now that they can walk through under the bridge and see the lovely work that's been done. So I'll say goodbye for now from Dawlish. Enjoy this month of March, everyone. I'll say goodbye and peace out.